California, the land of sunshine, beaches, and Hollywood dreams. But for some, the California dream looks a little different. It's about self-reliance, connection with nature, and escaping the hustle and bustle of city life. This is the dream of off-grid living. Today, we're exploring the top 5 destinations in California for off-grid living. It's a journey that requires motivation, strength, and a pioneering spirit. But the rewards can be a life of freedom, peace, and deep connection with the land. Buckle up! Here are our top 5 picks. 1. Mendocino County. Lush redwood forests, rolling coastal meadows, and a strong DIY community make Mendocino a haven for off-grid enthusiasts. With access to fresh seafood and plenty of sunshine, it's a dream location for those who love the outdoors. 2. Sierra Nevada Foothills. Escape the heat and find a haven in the foothills of the Sierra Nevada mountains. This region offers stunning scenery, diverse wildlife, and abundant opportunities for solar power generation. Just be prepared for winter chills. 3. High Desert. Embrace the vastness and beauty of the California desert. This arid landscape offers wide open spaces, incredible stargazing, and a unique sense of isolation. Be sure to prioritize water collection and heat management strategies. 4. North Coast. Rugged coastlines, hidden coves, and a strong sense of community define the North Coast. This region is ideal for those who love fishing, kayaking, and exploring tide pools. Be prepared for strong winds and the potential for fog. 5. Shasta Cascade Region. Nestled in the shadow of Mount Shasta, this volcanic wonderland offers stunning scenery, fertile land for growing your own food, and access to geothermal hot springs. Winter snowfall is significant, so be sure you're prepared for the elements. Off-grid living isn't for everyone. It requires hard work, resourcefulness, and the ability to adapt to changing circumstances. But for those who are willing to embrace the challenge, the rewards can be immense. California, with its diverse landscapes and strong sense of community, offers a unique opportunity for off-grid living. So, if you're looking for a life less ordinary, a life of self-reliance and connection with the land, then perhaps California's off-grid communities are waiting for you. But before you take the leap, do your research, connect with experienced off-grid dwellers, and make sure you're prepared for the challenges ahead. This journey requires motivation and strength, but the rewards can be a life of true fulfillment. Share this video with someone you think might be interested in exploring this unique lifestyle.